Hi parents and students, I'm going to show you a video of how to install some apps on the iPad. I know some students are not able to get onto SmartyAns or iReady through the student portal, and that is because they have to have the app on the computer as well, or on the iPad as well. So they still have to go through the CVESD student portal, but they also have to have the app on their iPad.
Now, the second thing that we can do is re-download those apps. So I know that my teacher has been asking me to take a test on iReady, and when I go into Safari to log in, it's giving me an error. So what I can do is go to that Manager app. When you guys first log in, your screen will look like this. It should say Feaster Charter School 2020 Remote Learning. Down at the bottom, I have a button for self-service. I'm going to click on that. Now, once that loads, I'll see all the apps that my teacher has requested and that all the other teachers in the school have requested for remote learning, and I can reinstall them as I need. So I'm going to scroll down to where I see iReady because I know that that's the one that I was missing and I need to use that app. So I'm going to click reinstall/update. It will tell me that a command has been sent to the device. And then I will see that it's waiting at first. And now I see that it's starting to load. So that's how you would delete apps to free up space and reinstall apps as you need. If you need help logging on to iReady, please check one of our other videos for signing on using the single sign-on through the CVESD page. Thanks, everyone.